Looking for a corner lot in a prime subdivision at a foreclosed price? This might be your dream home. Available now, BDO Foreclosed Diana Corner Lot, as is where is. Location Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Lot area 96 square meter, floor area 63 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. And the best part, starting bidding price, 2,324,610 only. That's a corner lot. Mas malaki ang space, perfect for future expansion or landscape garden. Napaka-flexible ng terms. 10% down payment lang. 50,000 reservation fee, 90% bank home loan. Payment modes accepted, PDC, MC, or full cash. Take note, bank fees and transfer of title are not yet included. At kung wala kang kasabay sa bidding, say na agad to. No competition. This is a rare corner lot foreclosed deal sa Lancaster. Hindi ito tatagal sa market. We offer free house tour assistance and full guidance kung paano sumali sa bidding. This is Jean Carmi Puig. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!